ASP.NET Data Management and Data Link Controls. In this section, we learn about ASP.NET Data Grid tool. The Data Grid web server control is a multi-column data-bound grid. The Data Grid control displays the fields of a data source as columns in a table. Each row in the control represents a record in the data source. The control supports selection, editing, deleting, paging, and sorting. Like the repeater and data list controls, it enables to format and display records from a database table. However, it has several advanced features such as support for sorting and paging through records, which makes it unique. Let's examine a data grid example that retrieves data from a database. The example uses the database as the data source to display data to the data grid. This example includes the following steps. Create a new form data grid example to drag data grids upon it. After adding, now open Toolbox and drag data grid control to the form. After dragging, initially it looks like this figure. This form contains the following source code at backend. In the code behind file, we have code of database connectivity and binding fetched record to the data grid. The front page codes of our data grid example.aspx example are as follows. A student table contains records that we want to display by using the data grid. The table contains this example records. Code behind file. Code behind file. Content. This code is written to the page load function in datagrid example.aspx.cs. How about the output screen? After executing this application, it fetches records from the SQL Server and displays the web browser as you see on the screen.